Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Divya. The read. Now, students, this is a marking scheme that was be taken for the runabout case study, which was a technological case study. Now, students, if you see the indicative answers will show the expected or most orthodox approach. That means formal. Orthodox means formal. However, the nature of the case study examination task means range of responses will be valid. The descriptors will be level based. Now, earlier students, it was skill based. Now it's level based. Now the new syllabus, we are going on the level based marking scheme, and holistic and can accommodate a range of acceptable responses. So just remember one thing, students, it has range of acceptable responses. General marking guidance is given below. However, the markers are subject to extensive training and standardization activities and ongoing monitoring to ensure that the judgments are being correctly and consistently. Care must be given not to make too many assumptions about future marking scheme basis of this document. While the guiding principle remain constant, details may change on the content of the particular case study. So content will change, students, but the principles is always the same. This is a constant principle, but the content will change. For example, we are a gaming industry, so you can't memorize an answer of the previous case study and write down. So general marking scheme should be applied positively. So they are specifically stating marking scheme is applied on a positive manner, and which has been demonstrated. So for what they have demonstrated and not penalized for omission. So there is no negative marking scheme here. They won't mark you in a negative way. All marks on the scheme are designed to be awarded, and full marks should be awarded when all the description criteria are met. Marking scheme and the indicative answers are provided as a guide to a marker. They are not intended to be exhaustive, and valid approach must be rewarded. Equally, students do not have to make all the points mentioned in the indicative answers to receive the highest level of marking scheme. An answer which does not address the requirement will be awarded no marks. So students, be very careful. 0 marks is possible. So I'm very, very open here, students. If your answer key is not going with the requirement, 0 marks is possible. They are openly saying no marks. Be very careful with that. So planning is important. Markers should mark according to the marking scheme and not their perception of where this passing standard may lie. Where markers are in doubt, they need to application on the marking scheme. They must contact their lead marker. So students, this is how to mark your answers. Read the candidate response in full. We can't mark it just by reading paragraphs. It should be a full answer read, because students, an answer should have a proper flow. So you need to get the understanding of that. Select the level. For each trait in the marking scheme, read each level descriptor, select one. Using the best fit approach, the response does not meet all the criteria of the level. It should be placed within the most criteria that relevant. If it works with more than one level, you should provide the best match and the border level. Now, students, this I will guide you just now. So I will just guide you on how the levels are designed. So students, if you generally see now, the exam marking scheme has 0. 0 means, students, that your requirement and your answer is not telling. Something different you have written, that is 0. Level 1 is just identifies and describe. Level 2 identifies the strategic challenge and recommend a solution. But level 3 identifies the challenge, recommend solution with good justification. Now I will guide you with good justification is your final sentence on each of your answer should have a practical illustration to PixelWiz. Are you understanding, Akshay? Now, if you just mention P ratio, and if you just say, what is that? Without an explanation of illustration to PixelWiz, then you will not come to level 3. Are you getting that point of view? Because every answer, if you want to go to the level 3, it should have a good justification. So I'll just come to the synergy as well, students, so that it will be very, very clear for you. Now, students, if you look at this is generally taken, so I'll just guide you on how it works out. So students, now if you see ethics are there. So describe ethical principle. Now students, last class, they just wrote about, right? Identify ethical principle linked to the scenario, just the second level, you will get around 80 marks. Identifies the full relevant ethical principle, link them to the scenario. So that is the major idea, students, full relevance. And then students, I just want to guide you so that it is very easy for you to understand how it works out. So here, synergy. Describe the synergies that would be required and the complete associated with benefiting from them. Just description only 1 to 3 marks. Discuss the synergies that would be required and the challenges associating with benefiting out of them. So that is 4 to 6. Offer full and comprehensive discussion of the synergies that would be required and the challenges associated and benefiting from them. So students, you see the level 3 is only coming to the level of 90 to 100 marks. If you want to score more than 100 marks, your answer will be in level 3. Students who get around 78 to 80s in the exam are in level 2, because the reason here is, students, you should be able to guide your responses in line to what the examiner is requesting, in line what to the examiner is requesting. So students, you get the understanding that there is a situation of no marks given, and there is a situation of just the level 1 marks given, 1 to 3 and 4 to 6. Now students, I will take a level 1 answer and I will develop it to level 3 and show it to you using the current question what we did. But before we go into the detailed explanation, any questions you have, you can ask me on the marking scheme. Because if you don't understand the marking scheme, students, you will find it very difficult to score the marks in the examination. Any questions you have, you can ask me. If you do not have any questions, you can please put Y in the chat box.
I have a concern here, sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah, there are certain situations where you have some different answers. As someone is answering positively, yani in favor of the question, some other candidate answering against the scenario. So in both the situation, the marking will be there, or there will be a zero marking for going through the.
As I told you, if you're just writing for the sake of writing a negative positive thing, zero only. You should observe what they are requesting. You should be in the higher level. So just writing for the sake of writing to pass, you will get zero. You can't just write a negative thing and a positive thing. You should always write the most relevant thing. So if your answer does not have the relevance, I understood the question. Some students are writing to the positive and negative, and it depends on what the requirement is. So you need to have
As far as the requirement is concerned, the situation says whether you recommend something or you don't recommend something. So one candidate is recommending, yani talking in favor of the scenario, and another is talking against the scenario.
That is fine, but
Okay.
just for the sake of talking is not fine. I think you got the point what I'm saying, because
Yes,
you are in
yes,
the senior management.
yes.
So anyone can write anything they want, but it should be within the ranges of what they require. That's what there is a specific criteria of no rewardable material. That means
Oh,
you have just given a recommendation for the sake of giving a recommendation. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
yes, yes.
It has no relevance at all to the top management who you are addressing to. So sometimes you could have given a very strong answer, but still ended up with a very 60 to 70 range because it's not relevant to the scenario. That is the major point of view. Any other questions, students? If you're fine with that, can you get a Y in the chat box, students, so that it will be very clear? So I'm getting a lot of Ys. So I believe it is very clear for you, students. But again, remember one thing, whenever you are writing the answer, you should be very much specific to the understanding of the requirement, and it should be mostly associated with your explanation. Thank you. So students, coming to the next one. So I will look at the answer of this student. Now, this is the answer of Sandeep, if I have taken. So evaluation of financial statistics and strategies for requesting the offer value of Pixelwiz. So if you observe, it is very clear he has made a clear note that it's an evaluation. So evaluation should be at a very higher level. with the briefing understanding of what you need to do. Okay. So coming to the understanding. So students, if you see here, evaluation. Now, if you look at the Sandeep's answer, it is clearly mentioning the evaluation of financial statistics and strategies for requesting offer value for PixelWiz. Consensus on consideration. As you know, our existing shareholders of PixelWiz for offering their shares at Facebook to be in cash or share exchange. Since Facebook shares are listed in Wall Street stock market, our existing shareholders may prefer existing cash exchange. Also, there needs to be an entity listed outside Westland. There needs to be a double taxation on dividend income and considering the factors. Now, Akshaya, can I ask you one question?
Yes, sir.
Is this having any relationship with the question requirement?
Actually, I don't know if the point that is, sorry, Sandeep, if the point that you have mentioned here, prefer cash over share exchange is valid here, because
it doesn't have a relationship, right? Be very
yeah.
open, Akshaya, because you need to know what you are doing before the marker knows. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm giving you the role of the marker now. Because students, in the strategic case study, it's subjective, but the marker will always try to do the best to bring you to the border of 80 and only fail. He will never fail you at 40, 30, unless it is an extremely bad answer. You get what I'm saying? So now if you see Akshaya, let's do an analysis. Now it's nothing because we are a finance team now. Akshaya, now if you are the marker, or let's make a poll. Students, I am 100% sure this doesn't go for level 3. This entire paragraph is not level 3. That can we accept? This is nothing on anyone because I want to make the entire class understand. Students, can you say this is not level 3? How many of you all agree this answer is not level 3? Can I get a Y in the chat box? This doesn't go for the level 3. Because anyone can openly say this doesn't have any reference to the gaming sector and the social media sector. Correct, no, Akshaya? Yes or no? Because if you see, every business is dominated by the industry expert only. What do you think, Akshaya? Because accountant is just like a supporting character. But if you see, the industry expert are the dominant character. What do you feel, Akshaya? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here, the first thing, in the worst case scenario, I have the option to give 0, but I will never give him 0 because he has given something. So can I give a range of 1 to 3, level 1? What do you think, Akshaya? It's not touching the level 2. Make sense or doesn't make sense?
Yes, sir.
Y'all can tell me, students, y'all can tell me. This is nothing personal with anyone because all are learning at the end of the day. So I will mention here level 1. This is how the first justification I need to give to the senior marker. So I will it is level 1. You get what I'm saying, Akshay. So when the second marker comes, he will read this and he will say, yeah, it's level 1. It's unethical to give 0 for this because some exposure has been. I have the correct audio, Akshay. You can hear me, right?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Mr. Chaudhary, your problem. Okay, so level 1, if you generally observe, I'm going with level 1, it's fair enough. So can I be very specific, students? Can I be very specific? I can guide him with a point of 2 out of 3. Okay, 2. Because I believe so. Are you getting what I'm saying here, Akshay? Yes or no? So can I write down the feedback so that everyone is very clear? Because students, now you are not a student anymore. You are at a finance manager level. So I will be very specific here. The reference material, because we have a reference material, agree, no, Akshay?
Yes, sir.
Has been ignored. Do you see any relationship given from the reference material? No, right? Complete 0 ignored. Further, this answer could have been, I need to guide him how to improve, could have been more specific more specific towards a tech business combination. A tech business combination. Are you understanding the point of view, Akshay? Because here I don't see any tech business specification. Only the stock markets have been preferred. Are you getting that point of view, Akshay? Now, example, if you see Tata acquiring Jaguar, you can clearly understand Jaguar is listed in a different enterprise stock market, no, Akshay, if you see. Now, Tata going to buy Jaguar, he will not be bothered about the stock market where it is listed on. He will be bothered, but that may not be his first preference. Correct me if I'm wrong, Akshay. Because the main point of view should be the going concern. You get the point of view. Because any shareholder will be mostly concerned about the going concern of the venture after it is done. Are you clear with that, students? So I'll write down here, students, going concern. So in this point of view, I can give this section as mostly as level 1. So in order to give a little bit of more richness to his answer, instead of writing consensus of the consideration, what I will just write down here is, since the public investors generally have the competence. What do you think, Akshay? Does the public investors generally have competence in the stock market? Of course, because Akshay, without competence, you generally, this is a basic presumption. Students, someone is making a noise, please avoid. Okay, so since the public investors generally have competence in the stock market, there can be situations they are mostly concerned about the going concern in a share for share issue rather than the stock valuation. Since Facebook is highly a reputed business at the moment, they will be mostly interested on the post acquisition business model. Since look at the term here, since they will have the holding in the business, and further they will have an interest on the market price of the business. So further I'll say here, this element is not a major concern at the moment, So that is the first point of view. So frankly speaking, students, this one is a level 1 standard. Anyway, this cannot be upgraded to level 3 because it's not going to the standard. Divya, are you clear with that explanation, Divya? Is it clear?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So students, I believe that level 1, level 2 is clear. So we need to do the analysis for the swap ratio, what we has mentioned. So students, if you are fine with that, can we go to the second paragraph so that you will be very clear on how to make yourself clear, because you need to know the marker's attitude first. Because if you know the marker's attitude first, you will be very much concerned about making him satisfied in your final examination. So if you're fine with that, can we put a Y in the chat box, please? Because I'm not saying this is a bad answer or a good answer. I'm just making the corrections so that students in future, the entire class may know how to do it. Because if you has not written in like this standard, it's even worse. So just get the understanding. Very good. So students, let's do the next analysis. Divya, can we go through the next analysis of the swap ratio acceptability?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So as you know, currently Facebook is offering a swap ratio of 1 shares for every 10 held. I can say swap ratio is nothing. There is nothing like swap ratio in reality. What do you think, Divya?
Yes, sir. Right.
So first thing is I can say it is outside the scope. Look at the mindset of the market. Our business shareholders were interested and accepted on the initial proposal of 10% market price. So effectively shareholders holding 10 shares with market value of 500 will expect consideration in cash or kind of equivalent. However, they will be receiving one share of Facebook worth only 200 per bit. This is not convincing and tempting offer to the shareholders. On offer, at least one for share is convincing. So again, students, you observe what I'm saying here. It's not scrip dividend as well. Scrip dividend is also different. It is share for share exchange, very clearly mentioned. Share for share exchange. Scrip dividend is a paper dividend you give students. It's a paper script. So scrip dividend is different, students. Scrip dividend is a large amount of dividend you pay. Business combination cannot take place in scrip dividend. So this is a share for share offer. So coming here to Divya, just be very open here. In this point of view, Divya, what level do you think this answer falls?
Level 1 or
Level 1, right? Level 1.
right, sir.
Being very open, students. This is nothing to criticize. First of all, I took Sandeep's answer because he's a very open-minded friend of mine. So he's a learner, actually. He's not an arguer. That's what I took Sandeep. Sandeep will never take. He's absent today. He already informed me. So this is level 1. You get what I'm saying here. This is level 1. So level 1, again, I'm giving level 1 because only for his nature of explanation. But do you see an evaluation in this answer? Divya, do you see any evaluation in this answer?
No, sir. It is just describing. As per level.
Describing. It's just describing only. So students, now we have almost 1 month time. We need to find out the weaknesses and make it into strength. So the verb here is evaluate. I have taken the question. Can you please confirm, Divya? You can see the question as well in the screen.
Yes, sir. We can see.
Evaluate the financial statistics. Okay, and provide some strategies. We can request the offer value to Pixelwitch. So here I will just go through his numerical guidance. So for the comparison purpose, both the figures are in USD. Price of the shares before the bid 170 and here it is 50. Okay, and here if you see share price 200 and here 100. Now, I want to ask one question from Divya. Divya, the market price is the only measure do we use to measure the valuation, or do you have other non-financial factors to be considered?
Other non-financial
factors should be considered. That is a first point of view, students. You need to keep in mind other non-financial factors. So students, here, one major thing I will write down here, other non-financial factors. Other non-financial factors needs to be considered, because students, other non-financial factors needs to be considered. Can someone tell me one non-financial factor he could have been embedded into the answer other than the share price? Other non-financial factors, students, other non-financial factors that could have been embedded into this, students, embedded into this
software licenses or the technology,
government, people, regulation, licenses you are mentioning. Other than the licenses, what I can say here, I'm getting a lot of answers. Branding, good. Branding also makes sense. Other than branding, one thing we have is future impacts. Because Akshay, if you had followed the real stock market analysis, the real investors are the people who has completely forgotten money. What do you think, Akshay?
Yeah,
because
true.
look at the cryptocurrency investors now, they will invest failure.
Yeah.
But the cryptocurrency investors around 10 years ago, they never ever considered about the money that they are investing today. It will be something that may be in the future. Now, I will ask a question to Divya. Divya, the pharmaceutical industry, the people who has invested in Pfizer or Johnson's and Johnson's, I think they would have made a lot of money. What do you think, Divya? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
But not the people who are investing today, because people who are investing today will not make much money, because the people who has invested long time ago, who would have. Can I ask one question, Divya? Climate change, people who invest now on businesses that are focusing on climate change will be the billionaires in 10 years time. Do you agree on that, Divya?
Sir, yes, to a certain extent. Yes.
Yeah, it's true, because students, climate change is the biggest threat that will take place in the future, even though we are not realizing now. So if you see the businesses, I will give you a classic idea. Akshaya, Netflix. You may be knowing Netflix, right, Akshaya?
Yes. Yeah.
Netflix founded in which year? Quick, rapid guess answer. Rapid answer, just a number. I don't want the correct answer. Your mind, wise your number.
2012 or 13?
2012, 2015. So I'm getting 2015, 2012. Very good, 2012, 2015. Students, the correct answer, Divya, is 1997. 1997. Okay. So Divya, 1997 Netflix founded, when we had cassette tape, okay, before the CDs came. But a person who has invested in 1997, today I think he would have been a billionaire. What do you think, Divya?
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Netflix came to our mouth just recently, Money Heist, these things. And Netflix came into the Hindi speaking people when it came to the Hindi series, right? If I'm not mistaken, Divya. Example, like Sacred Games, when these games came from Mumbai, it came. And when it came to Tamil or the South Indian region, it came just when it, now only it is reaching. What do you think, Akshaya? Especially, just imagine a South Indian language speaking people would have got to know it during the pandemic time. Openly tell me, Akshaya.
Yeah. True.
Yeah, openly pandemic time, because even if you see the regional languages, they will not go for English immediately. They will go for the preference of their own language. YouTube success is the people who are successful YouTubers have targeted the regions well, rather than the language properly. So students, 1997 Netflix came into the point, and today Netflix is a big giant. And students, have you heard a business model called box office? Box office, anyone? It's a US based business. Now it's not. Box office is the first, I can say, movie producing company where they produce cassettes, CDs, like that. So students get the understanding of the stock valuation. So the main thing he has completely ignored in this answer is the future impacts. And some students has mentioned about social games in the synergy. But social games could have also be connected in these answers as well, because I'm 100% sure, students, PUBG was a social game, even though it is a multi-level, I can say, massive multiplayer online. Massive MMO can end up as a social game as well, because social network, because if they are sharing their game statistics in their social media platform, that will give them more followers. What do you think, students, practically speaking? So swap ratio acceptability is very outside point of view. So what I will do is I'll do a technical analysis for this answer first. So students, technical analysis, what I will do now is a very easy point of view. So students, 170, okay, 170. For every 10 shares, you are giving 1 share. So agree, no, students, if I'm not mistaken, they have specifically mentioned Facebook is offering 1 share for every 10 shares. So 1 share is 170. And if you see 10 share, 50 into 10, that will be 500. So if you say mathematically, if you see, students, you will say this is a bad offer. Mathematically, it's a bad offer, right, students? Because 500 worth shares, you're buying for 170, exchanging it for 170. So effective difference in this case is a negative how much, students? Negative 330. So what he has mentioned is 100% agreed. Negative 330, right? Students, 330, sorry, 330. So my question here is, here comes the management accounting rule. That is the real option strategy. Real option strategy. Real option strategy. This is the most important point of view a person will be seeing. That is the economist profit, we generally say. Opportunity cost. We need to always consider fact called what, students? Opportunity cost when we are deciding this. So the next thing is, even if you see after the I can say business valuation, so the share price is 200. So if you see here, it will be 1,000 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, 10 times. So I can generally say he effectively, again, it's a 800 loss. It's a 800 loss. Again, if you see the existing shareholders. But can I ask you one thing, students? If you have observed, there is a movie called Wolves of the Wall Street. They will always say the secret of investment banking is they will always try to make the shares float. If the shareholders repurchase or sell their shares, that's not good for the market. So the flotation is the ultimate point of view. So if you observe one thing, students, how you keep the market floating is always guide them with what? Future impacts. Divya, are you getting that point of view here? So
Yes.
a real investor, can I ask one point of view, students? Tech investors, you need to always observe one thing. Tech investors, clientele factor. What is clientele factor, students? Anyone? You'd have studied something called clientele factor. Clientele factor. Anyone? Clientele is a theory. It's a theory, not customer base. It's a stock market theory. Clientele. Ties, you should know this. Clientele issues, clientele. You'd have heard.
No, I don't.
No, no. Akshaya, clientele is there in F3.
Sir, yes, sir, but I literally forgot what is the term. But yeah, we have an option called the clientele effect.
Clientele effect is there, students, because pool of investors. No, that's wrong. I'll tell you openly. Clientele effect is, I'll be very open to you. Attitude of investors. Attitude of what? Investors. You get what I'm saying, Akshaya. Now I will guide you. Students, today, students, it's a very, very important class for everyone. I am not at all bothered about the theory understanding. I'm bothered about the common sense here. Now, Akshaya, can I ask you one question? Can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
Okay. Cinema. I'll come to cinema. Okay. So everyone is very clear. Telugu movies, no offense. Have you seen when the hero hits the villain will be going to the solar system and coming back to Earth?
Yeah.
So that is a clientele effect. You get what I'm saying? That means the audience in the Telugu industry like it. Correct me.
Yeah.
But in the Telugu film, you make it like Malayalam film. No fight, nothing. Only story.
It will not
be a flop.
It will be a flop.
It will be a flop. So similarly, English movies, Hollywood movies, if you see, definitely America must get affected for sure. Africa should not get, America must get affected. So the issue here is the attitude of the investors. Now the problem with Akshaya is you are not an investor actually. You are just a person who try, if you are going to invest in the stock market will never give you preferences. They just treat you like a guy who comes inside and goes outside. You understand what I'm saying there, Akshaya? Investors are people who control the market. You get what I'm saying? Who control the market. Who control the market is the investor. So I think you should read the book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Now, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he clearly mentions, okay, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he clearly mentions that all the people who put money in the stock market are not investors. You understand what I'm saying there, Akshaya? Investors are the people who control the stock market. A classic example is Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is a person who controls the stock market. You understand what I'm saying there, Akshaya? And if you generally see the Middle East, what they do, they have oil, but they don't spend the money. No, they invest the money. And they control the Wall Street. American Wall Street is generally controlled by the Middle East investors only, practically speaking. So coming here, tech investors' attitudes are different. It's different because you understand one thing, the gaming sector, if you see the gaming sector, investors, they are always happy even with zero residual policy. Students, they are also happy with what students? Zero residual policy. Have you heard about zero dividend policy, Akshaya?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So in the gaming sector, they are not interested about gaining money. So zero dividend. Example, essential goods like milk. Now, if you see you have invested in Amul, okay? So essential stocks, that means like milk industry, they are generally invested on a fixed dividend. You understand what I'm saying, students?
Yeah.
They are invested on a fixed dividend. Now, gaming sector, we never did an analysis on the investor's attitude. So my question to the entire class is, gaming sector, like if you say new games are coming, sector is very much unpredictable. So do you think the investors who invest in the stocks, they learn the industry before they invest? What do you think, Akshaya? Yes or no? It's
Yes,
a presumption. It's a presumption, students. So my question here is, he has completely ignored one major factor called disruptions. What is that? Disruptions. Can you cause disruptions if you have a joint collaboration with I can say a social network like Facebook? Example, Facebook can promote your products free of charge or at a very lower price in the market, which will eventually cover up these costs. What do you think? Because when you go to market your products in the digital market, Facebook can give more traffic to your product. Makes sense or doesn't make sense, Akshaya? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Students get that point of view, students. You can make a lot of disruption if you are with the world's largest, I can say, social media, which is going to develop social games and which is also going to guide you on the MMO platform development as well. So an investor in the tech field will be always thinking, what is the benefit I will get if I go with a lower price? Frankly speaking, the benefits are more than what we have calculated. And can I ask you one question from Divya? Divya, in finance, do you think all the calculations are correct or there is an assumption behind the calculation?
There's an assumption.
There's an assumption behind the calculation. So students, in his answer, what he missed was he has completely ignored the clientele factor. So that is one thing. Can you take 1-2 paragraphs? Yes, I will develop and show it. But students get something called common sense. Common sense is not there in this answer. Divya, do you agree with me? Yes or no? Because Sandeep won't take anything wrong because I know him for almost 1.5 years. So that's the reason I have taken him without taking any worry, because he is a different person. So student Sandeep is our friend in our class and he is a learning type of person. So he won't take anything personally. So I will write down the answer for this. Can we start working on this answer? Yes or no? Divya, shall we start working on this answer? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we can work on this answer so that you will get the understanding how I am going to make a weak student a topper. That is the challenge. So I will write down this point. So let's write down this answer. So now he's in level 1. Agree, no, Akshaya? Sorry, Divya, he's in level 1. Makes sense. No? So basic description about the financial impact. So I'll write down here, generally, in the business ecosystem, this is very important or not important? Business ecosystem, the investors are well aware about the market conditions. Correct me if I'm wrong. Therefore, they will be more interested on the futuristic perspective on the longer term in tech sector, since at present there are new trends emerging like AR VR games. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yes or no? Makes sense, right? Now, can I ask one question, students? If you have done a research, anyone in our class has a PlayStation with yourself? Don't buy a PlayStation if you don't have. Anyone does have a PlayStation? Thais, do you have a PlayStation with you?
No,
No,
I
no.
don't like video games.
No. Anyone in the class having PlayStation with you? No one, right? No one, right? So I will tell you one thing, everyone. PlayStation has become more into a socializing console now, practically speaking. Because Akshaya, when we were small, the PlayStation, what we had was like a CD deck, or I can say a VHS player. Correct, no,
Yeah.
Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
Now the PlayStation is Internet of Things.
Yeah.
You can connect it with Wi-Fi. This is true, students. This is true. So Internet of Things, the major disruptor is social media. What do you think, Akshaya? Yes or no? Because
Yes.
Akshaya, can I ask you one question? I'm giving an Apple iPad to you, but it can't process YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Will you buy that iPad from me?
No.
Of
No.
course, you will say keep it with you. I will buy an alternative. So students, be very, very careful, students. The ecosystems I'm connecting. So generally in the business ecosystem, the investors are well aware about the market condition. Therefore, they will be more interested on the futuristic perspective on the longer term in the tech sector since emerging. Therefore, Internet of Things, and the base for connection plays major role. Connection plays a major role. Since Facebook has a wide range of users, that includes non-gamers. The scope is really high. It's really high, where they can enhance into more segments such as education, culinary games. Students, culinary, have you heard something called culinary, students? Culinary,
Yeah.
Akshaya, culinary
Yes.
game,
Yeah.
cooking. Can we
Yeah.
develop cooking as a game? Is it possible or not possible?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course, right? We can develop a game where we need to make the right recipe. So the issue is we can simulate like a cake producing game. Okay.
Yes, sir. We already have that cake producing game.
Then why didn't that come into your answer? You get what I'm saying. If you are a finance manager in this organization, should give a lot of idea, right? And if you see Lana is a lady, if I'm not mistaken. And did you observe one thing, Akshaya? They clearly mentioned 55% is males and 45% is females. So why don't we develop something that is targeting the female audience as well, like culinary games, correct? So
Yeah.
culinary games, where this may provide perpetual returns. What is that? Perpetual returns. Students, you would have heard something called perpetual returns, because certain industries are always perpetual, especially very inconsistent to say what return they are. Perpetual return, since in case if now I am currently at level 2, you get what I'm saying? Yes or no, Akshaya? Now I am in level 2. You get the point of view. I connected the theory. Okay. I quickly connected the non-financial factors. Now I am putting in case. For example, okay, in case if PixelWiz is embedded to Facebook, we can easily learn the data analytics of the market. What do you think? Data analytics of the market, and the specific regions, and develop games for the taste and preferences, Example, Sachin Tendulkar You can write the students because some examiners are from South India region, the subcontinent. Sachin Tendulkar cricket games for the subcontinent region, like Brian Lara cricket, Sachin Tendulkar cricket for subcontinent region. Are you clear with this, Akshay? Yes or no?
Sir, yes, clear. But the question that they have asked is evaluation of financial statistics and the strategies of the
Strategy.
offer value, right?
That is the
This is
strategy.
the strategy, right?
Yes, this is the strategy and the offer value. So I can generally say it's better to go with Facebook value. The main reason is strategically that value is still a greater value comparing the other benefits. You get what I'm saying? So how the other benefits only I guided here. Is that fine, Akshay?
Okay. Okay.
So students from level 1, this final element, like she's telling, goes to the level 3. And this level 3 here, you see a simulation. Do you feel a simulation here, Akshay? That means only a person working in PixelWiz can think like this.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Got it, right? So students
Yeah.
get the understanding. You are an employee at PixelWiz. So whenever you are ending your answer, you should end up with a simulation where you are in the point of PixelWiz. Students, can I get a Y in the chat box if you don't mind? So did you understand, students, where from level 1 it ended up to level 2 to level 3, level 2 to level 3, and that this can be extended, Akshay, like you are saying, this can be extended. I do want to just keep it sweet, okay, but it can be extended. But this is getting expanded. This black color getting extended, no worth at all. Are you clear with that, Akshay? You will just be in term circle. And one more thing, students, more than the knowledge, your common sense is a major influence here, your common sense. And I will come to other answers as well. But can I move to the next one, Akshay?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So beta factor. So he has now done the share. He's going for the beta. Now I will do it from Thais. Thais, can you do the marker now? Can you take over the marker responsibility? Thais?
Yes.
Thais, if you are in the marker at the moment, you have been already given the marking guidance, level 1, level 2, level 3. Agree? So in this perspective, where is this answer standing at?
Rated.
Your voice was breaking. Thais, where do you rate? Thais, are you there?
Yes, level 1, sir, for sure.
Level 1, no? Level 1. Students, be very open, being very open. This is level 1. Risk perspective, Facebook beta 1.2. Anyway, management knows this. There is no information. Our beta 1, management knows this, but it will be anyway good to start with a basic intro to give the flow. Indicates general higher risk in systematic stocks in Facebook compared with PixelWiz. Because technically, yes, because numbers wise, yes, but he did not mention the reason why Facebook is very high risky. Shareholders are risk averse. Now see, clientele factor is coming. Do you observe this? Thais, do you observe this? Shareholders are risk,
Yes.
but he did not specify tech investors. He just mentioned shareholders. Shareholders
It's in
versus,
general, like too
yes,
much in
yes,
general.
yes. Students, I believe you write down. Please write down the note. Very, very important, students, because again, I'm telling you, if you get the art of scoring, you will end up as the topper. That is the only thing. So shareholders are risk averse, very openly mentioned. Okay. Might not prefer to hold high beta stock. That is wrong. That is wrong. Shareholders are risk averse, might not hold high beta stock, while risk-taking, risk-positive shareholders might be invested in the shareholders. So can I say this is very much going to the operational level standard, students? Finance officer answer.
Yes.
So right now, Thais. Now, students, you won't believe me. I always respect the teacher who is straightforward. Because you won't believe me, students, yesterday in my university, one teacher was blasting one student, but the student was very happy because he got the guidance properly. This very much goes to the operation case study. Students, don't ever do this. Also, since high beta shares will generally have high returns, this might be driving factor for the shareholders to say. Can I ask one question from Thais, high beta factor, high return. Is this technical or real? Technical or real? Technical, right?
Well, technically,
Technical.
totally. Mhm.
Because sometimes high beta factors can give low returns as well. Apple had high beta for the 25 years. They were giving zero dividends. Correct? No, Thais, if I'm not.
Mhm.
And students, even if you see a company example in the tech sector, I can say pharmaceutical businesses like online pharmacies are not having high betas, but still returns are less. This is maybe due to driving factor. Shareholders stay invested in this Facebook. So students, I can just give him, for the sake of writing this answer, a level 1. So students, I'll write down here level 1, and
And
I will.
I
Yes,
just one
sir.
comment. It seems that he was doing the valuation like for Facebook shares, not for Pixelwiz shares.
Excellent, excellent. Now, students, you are taking the role of the examiner. So Facebook shares most emphasis is given, but for the sake of giving a mark, I will give him 1. Can I give him 1 mark for this out of 3? Because the range
Yes.
is 1 to 3, I will give him 1. So students, today you see the classroom is very much transparent. This is not looking like a classroom. This looks like a panel of examiners today. So I want to ask the question from Thais. Thais, if you are the examiner and if you want Sandeep to pass with level 3, how you will reconstruct his answer? Skill development. This is skill development, not knowledge development, skill development. How you will do this. And later, mark my words, 5 years after, what we are doing today in the class will be artificial intelligence. Akshay, do you believe me or not believe me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Zoom will have all our conversation recorded.
Hmm.
Voice conversation, they'll develop a system, and that will be robotic process automation. So coming to the next one. So students, everyone, can we take around 1 to 2 minutes? Today, I'll take a little extra half an hour. Sorry for that, because today is a very important day. Can you please tell us, students, can you please do a reconstruction how you will make this guy understand and improve? I'm not getting any
Well,
answer.
sir,
Yes, please.
I'm not sure if I could say that the bid would actually increase our beta, saying that is going from the current value of 0.71 to 1, because the joint arrangement with Facebook would increase the volatility of our shares. But as per our business, it's not an issue and it's still lower than like most of the betas for this industry.
Very good.
And
Excellent. Good point of view. So I will help you, Thais. So let's work on this point of view properly. So as per the point of view here, what I can say is very simple idea. The very simple idea here is beta is only an indication. Beta is only an indication of systematic risk. Of what risk? Systematic risk. Makes sense or doesn't make sense? Yes or no?
yes.
So if we had answered like this one sentence, his entire F3 syllabus he has dusted, finished. Therefore, the external environment plays a major role. External environment plays a major role. Now, one question is, Facebook is a US-based business. Pixelwiz is a Westland-based business. Now, my question is, from 0.7, we have become 1 after the merger, generally speaking, after this issue. Now, the understanding here is, can I be very open to you? When your parent company or when your controlling company is in a very high compliance country, they will also pass their compliance to your company as well. What do you think, Thais? Yes or no?
Exactly.
Exactly, right?
SOX and all the regulations of
Yeah.
US GAAP would apply, like in the
Excellent.
consolidation level.
Super. So I can say the increase in the beta is providing an understanding that PixelWiz will be under a great supervision of US-based laws such as SOX, Sarbanes-Oxley Act, and rule-based corporate governance when producing consolidated financial statements. Now I will further continue this. Also, since Facebook is a very large social media platform, we need to understand that okay, the companies will be having a higher cyber regulation compared to previous arrangements. So I will further continue. Since the tech investors are well aware of the industry, I believe the cost of equity can be managed. Since this has been a technical indicator only. Full stop. Therefore, we need to make sure that PixelWiz management and shareholders are educated of the compliance requirement in advance to prevent miscommunication and understanding that the share price needs to be overvalued. Now, are you clear with that, guys? Because with beta factor, you can't bargain for a higher value in this case study. Because this beta factor is a technical beta factor because of legal compliances, what we need to follow. And frankly speaking, that's good, because higher the compliances, higher the product life cycle. Because if you see companies that doesn't have compliances, their product cycle is very less. Are you clear with that, guys?
Yes.
So students, if you see here, this explanation of mine one is very much concise than the explanation what he gave. One thing is I finished the sentence like this. You get the point what I'm saying, students. Any questions you have, you can ask me. You can argue as well, because today is a learning session. Akshaya, any questions?
No, sir. Perfect.
So let's do the gearing benefit. So gearing benefit, let's do it. So I will give the opportunity of gearing benefit to Naveen. Naveen, can you take over the responsibility, Naveen, for doing a small marking analysis?
Yes, sir.
Naveen, so since with your experience, now this will give you a better idea of how to improve your marks. Now, Naveen, coming here, when going through this answer, what will be your rating if you are the examiner? Gearing benefit.
It is just a description, sir. I can say it's level 1.
Level 1, right? Level
Yeah.
1. So I will write down here level 1. It's just a basic description. And students, a senior finance manager needs to have a lot of industry exposure. So I will give this opportunity to Divya. Divya, now since the skills are improving, Divya, can you please guide us how he could have developed this answer? Now, if you see, it's very clear it's level 1 standard. He has just mentioned the tax savings only. Correct, no, Divya? Now, my question is, you are paid, a senior finance manager is generally paid, agree, no, Divya, at a high level position. So
Yes.
do you think the management will generally request only this much of information from you, or they will need more information from you?
Some more information. Yes.
So what do you think, Divya? How can you correct this answer?
One factor that we should mention is on the benefit of interest that he has mentioned, but also the profit which is available to the shareholders. But also this also implies that gearing is lesser, means they have the capacity of taking more debt and they can invest in Pixelviz if needed. So please correct me.
That's still on level 1.5 I can give. Akshay, anything that you can strategize, please?
Sir, I don't know if this point is right, but I'll just try. So now we have the gearing of 11%. Though we got lesser gearing and is it
Facebook
easier?
is 11%. We are 18%.
Okay, 18%. Though it indicates that we have, it is easier for us technically to raise finance from debt. It is, I'm not sure if it is practically possible because we don't have any asset base. So this maybe for short-term borrowings and all, we can use this debt option. But for the major options and all, we should go with equity only.
Okay, Thais, anything that you like to share?
Well, I wouldn't mention the gearing because it would be more relevant if we were looking for financing, but we are evaluating our share price. So I wouldn't mention gearing at all. I would maybe discuss WACC impact or P ratio.
A very good way of thinking. That is almost the correct answer. So, Thais, can I ask you, if you say gearing ratio, the ratio we calculate is debt divided by debt plus equity. Agree, no, Thais? This is
Yes.
the gearing percentage wise. So my question is, Thais, in equity can have non-financial impact as well. Example, we can have a revaluation loss. Can a revaluation loss reduce the equity? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
And when the equity reduces, so students, I will just mention it. This is little bit of skeptical thinking. We need to be skeptical because when you are going to buy a house, you will be very skeptical. Revaluation will reduce the value of a house, reduce the value. Correct? No, Thais. So revaluation is not an financial indicator. It's just an accounting valuation. So when the revaluation loss reduce the value, okay, so my question is, can the equity be reducing? Yes or no? Can the equity be reducing? So can there be an accounting implication that there would have been a revaluation loss making the gearing go up? Can that happen? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. And then can I ask you one question? The other question I can say is foreign currency loss. Can there be foreign currency translation loss? Foreign currency translation loss that would have affected the gearing to go up. High chances gearing is going up. And then after that, I can also say one more thing. Can there be a dividend payment that would have reduced the equity reduce? High chances, right? Because it will also
we are paying annually.
Correct. So gearing is also going up. And the next
also impairment maybe.
Impairment maybe. And what about old assets? Can that old assets cause low depreciation? Low depreciation Because historical cost accounting, old assets, low depreciation. What do you
Or even a net book value of 0.
correct? Even a net book value of 0 and impairment could have taken place. Impairment would have taken place, making it going up. And coming to the next one as well. Now, if you see another point of view to argue here is these are the factors. So your answer is correct, Thais, because gearing is not a valid indicator to measure the share price. Provided we are at a very less gearing ratios, both the company, it's anyway less than 25%, which is very low. Now, my next question is, do we need to evaluate these factors when considering and give a conclusion that this may not have a critical impact on the share price?
We
And
might go this way.
Yes, and also say it's better to consider WACC as well, so that it will be very clear. And also it's better to consider the cash gearing rather than the accounting gearing. What do you think, Thais? Because
yes,
there is a
definitely.
There is now, as management accountant students, now a chartered accountant or a public accountant will say this is gearing, this is bad. But at the end of the day, cash is also important, no students. Now, I will ask one question from Akshaya. Akshaya, if you generally see India as an economy, okay, Akshaya, the exchange rate is very poor compared with British, correct?
Yeah.
No, Akshaya?
True.
But if you see the cash valuation, India is richer than British. What do you think? You get the management way of thinking, right, Akshay? Because you see the economy, the GDP way also, India is bigger than Singapore also. Agree, no, Akshay? Practically speaking.
Yes.
So the issue is, when you're looking at these numbers, students, you should little write in more detail towards the business situation. So can we write it down?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I will write it down here, so it will be very clear. So first thing I'll write down, gearing ratio is generally an accounting measure. Generally an accounting measure. Generally an accounting measure of borrowing to the capital funding. Agree? That is very clear. No? This is not a book note. Anyone can write a basic classic note. So now what I will do is, in the point of merge, in the point of this proposal, we can observe the gearing ratios are generally less. Is that fine, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Further, we don't have any additional information. On how the gearing has been derived. This is now the starting point of level 2. You get what I'm saying, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Students, now if you see this entire sentence of what he has written, I have just summed up until here. You get what I'm writing, right, Akshay? That's the editing role. So we don't have any additional on the gearing has been derived. Example, this is a very important thing. There could have been a revaluation loss. There could have been a revaluation loss at PixelWiz.
May I ask a question, sir?
Yes, please.
At the moment, as a senior finance manager, shouldn't I know all these factors, like to be more affirmative than wondering if
100% you may know. That's what you are communicating it to them strategically.
Okay.
Because the audience doesn't know, right? You are like a doctor. You know why I have diabetes, but I know only diabetes. You get what I'm saying? So you need to say, I'm eating a lot of sugar. I'm not doing any exercise. You get what I'm saying? So you are the
like
doctor.
A mentor driving the the thinking.
Correct. So you should tell the reason. And now if you see, majority of the accountants don't know to communicate, especially if you have worked with external auditors. The main problem with external auditors is they don't know to speak. If you have been working with them, majority don't know.
Oh, yes.
They don't know how to speak. They will just come, do the job and go. And you just need to talk to them and go. That's it. But if they can give,
Mhm.
there is something called emphasis on matters. Every auditor should know that. Because if they could have given proper communication on emphasis on matters, many biggest financial crimes would have been stopped, because the only reason they don't know how to communicate. So I'll write down here, we don't have any additional how gearing has been derived. Example, there could have been revaluation loss in Pixelwiz, similarly at Facebook. Agree, no students, similarly at Facebook. Okay, because we don't know, we
Yes.
don't know. Further, impairment losses, foreign exchange losses, dividend payments in both the enterprise, 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 in both the enterprise. Therefore, we need to get audited information of the other factors, and WACC is very much important. It's very much important. Loan covenants are important, because we need to know the covenants, because covenants are important. And further, the funding requirement of this borrowing, because we need to understand for what they have done. And the repayment strategy. And the repayment strategy is very much of a concern. And this may not have a significant influence on the share price. On the share price. Are you clear with this, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, listen carefully. We quickly came here, and now I will write down one more point of view. The gaming sector. The gaming sector and the social media platform does not have enough asset base. So generally, the borrowings will be managed at a lower rate. Level, full stop. So this is just a understanding, students, how I was able to guide. Divya, are you clear with how level 1 became level 3?
Yes, yes.
Students, in real company, we did the percentage of revenue 30 to 10%. So what is the main reason here is hedging. Are you understanding what I'm saying there, Thais? Because if you see, their percentage of revenue in US dollar is 10%. And Facebook is 30%. So 10 plus 30 overall, can it be more? Can you consolidate the USD value? And can you create a USD pool so that you can hedge the foreign currency risk?
Yes. Yes.
So I will just write that down, because that was completely ignored in the answer. So I will write it down. So the part A of the answer has been finished. Part B will not take time. USD is generally, I'll write down, is generally the international fund used for global transaction. Used for global transactions. Used for global transactions. That's a basic idea. Therefore, one advantage for both the enterprise, especially because for Pixelwiz enterprise, especially for Pixelwiz, is this acquisition may guide them to reduce the exchange rate risk. the exchange rate risk. The exchange rate risk. Therefore, they will be able to minimize the risk. So the gaming process with the social media platform can be centralized, and the dependency of CloudBar can reduce. This creates more real option value to the existing offer in the long run. So Thais, is it clear for you? Just CloudBar got connected here and
Yes.
long run was connected. So students, so at the moment I can say Facebook has a very high bargaining power, so they can manage it. So I think we were able to do this answer properly. So now again, if you see his answers is going in this pattern. So instead of that, I will take another answer so that it will be very easy for you to decide. So let's do the marking process for another answer, which is a better answer, I can say. Thais, if you don't mind, I'll just share the screen once again. Can you see the screen, Thais?
Yes.
So this is the answer of Divya. So Divya, I believe you're okay. Shall we start working, Divya?
Yes, sir. Please.
So if you see part B is the synergetic value. So operational synergy. Now, if you see Facebook has over 1 billion users, it will help us to strengthen the gamers of Pixelwiz. As we are aware, Facebook is a huge player in the social media industry, and it has relevant experience and technology to promote Pixelwiz to large number of users. Collaboration will help us to strengthen our brand value with Pixelwiz after taking over Facebook, as it will give a positive signal to our stakeholders. I want a question from, I will ask it from Akshaya. Akshaya, if you are the examiner, what will be the level rating for this?
So level 2.
Level 2. You are very strict examiner. I will ask from Thais, where you will rate this answer.
Level 2, but the top part, because to give her level 3, I would need to read the full answer and check whether the reasons or the explanation was
so
broader
can you
than that.
add one broader sentence which will make her to level 3?
I don't think so.
Akshaya, can you add one sentence which will make this answer level 3 if you are making her at level 2?
So maybe if as Facebook has more than 1 billion users, people who do not play our games get to know. People who do not play our games get to know about Pixelwiz, and there will be increase in number of registered players, and this can. This can increase our number of registered players, and yeah, that is what I could think of.
Sir, can I say that viral marketing would be useful for
K
us?
factors.
Now you are understanding, right?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe including points of DAUs and MAUs could also.
And also the algorithms that Facebook have and promoting our products to the correct users and so forth.
Okay, so if I was the examiner, Thais, I would have given her level 3. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why as well. Because in a tough examination situations, she has done the best. What do you think, Thais? If you observe weighted average
For
mark.
sure.
For sure.
Yes.
For sure. Divya, so you scored level 3 here, Divya. Are you fine with that, Divya?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You scored level 3, but
Sir, I would have myself given level 2, but you're kind
l-
enough to give me level
no,
3.
I will give level 3, being very frank, because Akshay, I will consider the exam pressure. You understand what I'm saying, Akshay?
Okay. Okay.
But if K
But
factor
these
would
points are
have,
not there in that.
no, if
list,
K
no.
factor would have been written and what you were telling were written, I would have given us rock solid, I can say a level 3. What you are saying is correct. But the thing is, there is something called adaptive learning. They mark according to the candidates. So if you generally see our class wise, it went like, it's okay. Now I will come to diversification. Generally, diversification reduce risk if the earnings from one segment are lower due to the seasonal plug. It can be managed. So Akshay, what level this one? Open answer.
Sir, level 1.
Excellent.
Sorry.
Level
Sorry,
one.
Divya.
No,
Level
no problem, Akshay, please. Yes, I would have marked myself the same. Thank you.
level 1. Level 1. So Thais, do you agree with me? This is level 1.
Yes, there is no link
No link at
to
all.
our yes.
So the classroom, can you get a Y in the chat box? Can you all put Y in the chat box, classroom? Because the thing is, this is very important, students. As a teacher, I need to make sure that you pass it in the first time. You know what you are doing, what you are making mistakes. So very easy for everyone in the classroom. So level 1, you itself are saying no argument, clear shot level 1. Can we go to the complementary service? Because I need to go through another answer as well. That's what I'm doing the level analysis only for the moment. Synergy was very easy. Thais synergy can be managed by our class. It was not a tough one than the financial one. Complementary service, as we already have seen games appearing in Facebook, this can be more promoting pixel visual. Service provider facility in place in CloudBar, as we have seen CloudBar earlier, which has been level. Having Facebook expertise such as technology platform could certainly use such service. This will help in creating financial synergy. Akshaya, where you will mark this?
Sir, Facebook expertise in such technology would certainly help in. That's level 2.
Level 2, Thais, where you will mark this?
Yes, level 2, but the bottom line.
Very
Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
Correct. It is level 2. I can say not level 2, level 1 only, but it's in the bottom line. You get what I'm saying. That means you would have got 2.5 out of 3. You did not jump to the level 2 because I don't see much of a value in this paragraph to our business. Mainly complementary service, or I can say a support service. Complementary service is a different one. Complementary services, you give compliments free, right? Free breakfast. You understand what I'm saying, Akshaya? In
Mhm.
complimentary breakfast, no, we say Akshaya, yes or no. But
Yeah.
CloudBar is a complimentary service or a support service.
Support service.
Support service, right? So I can give level 1 bottom line.
Maybe maybe there could be issue with this heading alone, because she has given this indication on using the technology platform which Facebook already has. So
And
maybe
she could have argued, right? Because there can be compatibility issues also, right, Akshaya? Because gaming users and the Facebook users have different type of needs. What do you think, Akshaya? Because if a gaming user will use his card for a different purpose, Facebook user will be using his card for a different purpose. So what happens is, will there be a system integration issue? Can we have added that as a discussion point in this answer to go
but
to
they have
level
asked
2?
only for synergy, no sir. Why should
Synergy.
we include a...
That's the simulation, right? You get what I'm saying.
Okay.
You need to simulate. You get what I'm saying, right, Akshaya?
Okay.
Even though they have asked for synergy, you need to be able to simulate it with an example of the difficulties we may face. You understand, right? Because the thing is, think like a chess player. When you're playing the chess game, when you're moving one, you need to think about the next 4 moves what the other person is going to make. You get what I'm saying, right, Akshaya?
Yes.
Because if you say this, there will be a counter question coming forward. So technological synergy, Facebook being an experienced player in the tech sector, it will help us provide us exposure in technological advantage. It will help us leveraging AR, VR game. I don't think that will be a technological synergy. I can say it can be a data disruptions. What can I say? Instead of technology, can we move into the data? Because Facebook does not have AR, VR at the moment. What do you think, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
So this one, can I give again a level 1? Thais, can I go for a level 1 here?
Yes.
Level 1. Economies of scale, very generic heading, but let the explanation plays a key role whether you make it to level 1 or level 2 or level 3. Facebook having such wider customer base will certainly help in widening the game user base for Pixel Visual. So again, you have mentioned that in the first one also, user base duplication, it is getting duplicated. With integration of game promotion and different Facebook, Instagram apps, we will have a large number of prospective gamers as well in home marketing. So is this economies of scale, or I can write down here, can increase the scale of visibility? Is the heading matching with the sentence? Because I can say WhatsApp, Instagram, more scale of visibility rather than in economies of.
Yes.
Divya, are you understanding what
Yes,
happened?
sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Right.
So,
And one comment, sorry, Divya, but it seems when I read economy of scales, I'm thinking about like cost savings. So
Exactly.
I
Yeah.
would say about the duplications or this kind of thing that might happen in a merge than the examples that she gave.
super.
Thank
So
you.
students, did you see, as a teacher, I made you to analyze today, because I feel before the class is getting, you are giving me the answer. Okay, strengthening market position. Can I say here you could have used business ecosystem? From Wolfgang, you could have slowly came to Hornet Nest.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Can you? Yeah, right. Guys, do you agree with that? Strengthening the market position, Wolfgang to Hornet Nest could have been mentioned. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And another doubt, sir, because whenever I see evaluate, it comes to my mind that I should give the upside and the downside, and
No,
she's just bringing
that's a technique that
advantages.
was developed by most of the tutors actually, because that will give you marks. I'm not saying no, but that will not give you the outcome. It's like a painkiller or a bandage. It's not a surgery. Now, what I'm teaching you is how to do a surgery. You get what I'm saying, guys.
Yes.
Write down the upside and the next side. It's like a painkiller. You will pass. You will pass. But the thing is, you won't be able to recover. You get what I'm saying?
So it's not mandatory. I can
You need to give a wider perspective, which also includes the advantage and disadvantage. Example, like Akshay was asking regarding that point of view when we were talking about the technological connection of CloudBar. I said there can be issues, right, Akshay? Can you remember compatibility issues?
Yeah.
Did I say there is a that issue is evaluation? Are you understanding, Thais?
Yes,
Instead of
exactly.
breaking out into drawback and advantage, I connected it in a very high skill level of point of view. That's what I told you, right?
Okay.
When you are playing a chess game, you evaluate the next move of the other opponent. Are you clear what I'm saying, Thais? Because
Yes.
when you just move forward and the other guy just moves next to her, then that's not an evaluation. Evaluation is you do a what if analysis.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
Super. So students, now I want to go to another answer. Sorry for taking your time. Excuse me only for today, students. Very sorry.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you, sir, for
Yeah,
taking
no
your
problem,
time
sir.
as well.
Okay, so students, now this is the answer of Akshaya. Akshaya, you know now what has happened. I'm not going through the first one. Can I come to the next one, Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
So increased number of users, I have mentioned excellent. So can we review her answer? So Divya has the opportunity to review the answer. Facebook currently has 1 billion registered users. After acquisition, the user of Facebook will get to know about the games of Pixelwiz to Facebook app. Hence, there is high chances of increase in K factor for high revenue generating games such as Zacopluck, Ratchy Swan, This can increase the DAU, MAU advantage, and this is major synergistic effect of a newly formed entity.
So
Thais-
level 3.
Level 3, right?
First, yes.
Thais, where can you argue? You level 2, level 3, level 1 for sure, no. Level 1 is out of the box here. Level 1 is clearly out of the box. Thais, where you can say, let's make Thais as a very strict example.
It's level 3.
Level 3, right? So Akshay, excellent. Can we
Thank
have a thumbs up for Akshay, everyone? So there is nothing called good answer or a bad answer, students. It's the level of application. Are you clear, Akshay? What are you
Yeah,
saying?
yeah.
So thanks a lot, Akshay, for the effort. Excellent. Excellent. So increase revenue from cloud gaming. Can we just do a small analytics of for Akshay, if you don't mind? Post-acquisition, Facebook users will get the opportunity to experience Pixelwiz game through cloud gaming. This is one of the major booming market in the current cloud gaming, contributes around 1 minute, students, around less than 5% of global revenue from video games. This acquisition could be one of the factor to increase the industry revenue. Look at the verb, students, from video games industry. As a result of this, Pixelwiz can see an increased number of registration as reaches mass gamer base. This potentially benefit newly formed entity. What can I say here? Thais?
Level 3 for sure.
Divya?
So level 3 for sure.
Level 3 for sure. So students, I believe this, I'll share these answers once again. So you have scored 12 out of 14, Akshay. Now did you get the way where you need to? So can we just go through the high brand value so that you can identify? As Pixelwiz both have good reputation in the market, increased brand value gives positive mindset to the stakeholders about the business. This synergy is dependent on company's performance long term, not having positive. This one where you can trade, Divya, brand value.
So level 2 probably.
Level 1 border?
Yes.
Akshay, level 1 border, the last one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
Sir, I had last 5 minutes time in the timing, so I just don't wanted to waste the time and wrote this
No
point.
problem, no problem. But you are happy, right, with the marking scheme today, Akshay? What do you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thais, can I say it is level 1 border, high brand value?
Yes.
Instead of high brand value, Akshay, can I make it high level of intellectual value?
Yeah.
Human intellectual skills, because data is the new thing, so that can be a point of view. So students, before going to the next one, yes, excellent. Before going to the next one, students, I will do a one-to-one session now. So today, I believe, was an excellent session. What do you think, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sure.
From lower end to the higher end. And final thing I wanted to say, Sandeep is absent today, so he will always take it positive. Sandeep was the management case study prize winner in like I can't remember the name. He was the world #1 or something. I can remember. So Akshaya, the thing what I wanted to say is attitude plays a major role. That
Yes,
is, he
true.
will develop. That I can say. I'm happy with you, Sandeep. Always coming back forward. So don't worry, students. He's not a weak student. He is a blessed learner. He starts from 0 to going up. You will see his improvements. And I want the toppers not to take any attitudes. Anyway, next is a new coffee, because you should always empty your glass after you drink the cup of coffee. This cup of coffee is over. The next cup of coffee is going to come. So Akshay, can I increase the dose now? Can I give, now I gave you one question. Can I make it 3 questions for today? Or 2 questions?
Since we have 3 days, I mean, we have Monday and Tuesday as well. This time
So,
maybe
3. Let's go for 3.
Yeah.
Because in gym we can.
My
really
God.
Yeah. 3 question I'll send you for today. It's not computer based. Let's again take time and improve the levels of explanation. Okay, now I will speak with Akshay. Akshay, any doubt for the day?
No, sir. No.
Mr. Adil, any doubt for the day?
No, quite impressive, quite informative. Thank you.
Thank you. Abhinav, any questions for the day? Thank you. Chaudhary, any questions for the day? Naveen, thank you. Mr. Suresh, any questions for the day? Prabhat, any questions for the day?
No questions, sir. Thank you.
Shreya, any questions for the day? Thais, any questions for the day?
No, thank you.
So I think students, Mr. iPhone, I don't know who you are. Please, you can say.
Sir, this is Karan. Yeah, it was good,
Yes,
sir.
it was good, right? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So students, I believe you understand where the weaknesses are. So watch this recording once again. Thank you very much, students. I will meet you on the upcoming class on Wednesday. I'll send you the mock by today evening. Most probably by night, you will get the mocks. Thanks, students.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.